Alright all, if you're here then you've clicked on the login code, so just a quick reminder for you on this. If you are using your iPad, this is a little difficult to navigate to. I could not find it on the iPad actually, so on the desktop or laptop, you click right here, get home learning codes. It'll bring up these options. You'll go ahead and click print codes, not download codes, so print codes. And this will pop up some login sheets for students. The thing that was tough about sending this out to everyone is via email would be everyone would have access to each other's login. So teachers have been snapshotting pictures of these and sending them electronically, or at the first and second grade level, we're planning on printing these out and distributing them. So they'll have a access code here, or they could also utilize this QR code. So also just a note about logins. So if you are planning on trying to have students in multiple different classes, like for the reading and the math and homeroom or theme, like however many classes they're in, students will have to have a login code separately for each of those, which is extremely unfortunate. But at the first and second grade level, we've decided to have the homeroom teacher be the main communicator, and we're really just trying to ensure that all students are receiving the same assignments. So just a note there, if you're trying to create multiple different classes, that will create multiple different logins that students will have to use. So, and that's login codes.